You want to earn money with photographing weddings? Here are 5 ways to get your first paying client. Hi and welcome to the video. My name is Dennis and I'm a professional photographer and videographer from Northern Germany. As you clicked on this video, you are probably a hobby photographer looking for paid weddings. I am currently photographing something between 10 to 15 weddings per year, as I'm doing that besides my full-time job, and I'm more than happy with that number. But how do you get your first wedding? Where should you start? Probably most important is having a place to showcase your work. I personally have a website where potential customers can see my previous weddings and get a feel for the style of my pictures. If you have a certain style of pictures on your website, it will attract customers who prefer that style of pictures. That is why I am very careful with the pictures I share on the website. I keep in mind that kind of customers I want and what kind of weddings I want to photograph. If you don't have a website yet and need a recommendation where you can start, I'd suggest you go over to Squarespace. I'm not sponsored by them, but really like their service. You will find a link in the description below. The second way to find your first paying customer is to have social media accounts that are active and fit your niche. For example, if you want to attract wedding couples, you should post weddings and everything surrounding weddings. Start networking with other people in the niche like DJs, catering, locations and so on. Having an Instagram account is a must-have. You can share the pictures you take, but also show your personality in the reels and behind the scenes from shootings so that a couple gets a feeling for what they will experience during the day. Pinterest is also a great platform as many brides browse through the pictures to find things they want at their wedding. Why not be one of the things? Platforms are coming and going, and there will be trends that you should consider doing or reconsider if it is not benefiting you. Your biggest fans, like family, friends, or even TFP clients, are a great multiplier. Happy clients will show the pictures to their friends and families and will recommend you to them. It will start out slow, but keep spreading if you do good work. Always keep that in mind when treating your clients, and handing over your work as word of mouth can work both ways. Hear me out on this one. Wedding photographers organize themselves in Facebook groups in case they get sick or they already have a booking for a date. Also, there are certain groups looking for second shooters. If you don't have a portfolio, this is the best way to get pictures for your website and social media. Just make sure to have your prices in line, as you don't want to gain a reputation of low prices. This might be the slowest way, but one of the most sustainable ways to get clients. Start networking with locations, makeup artists, DJs, florists, just anyone working weddings. Tell them about your work, show them your work, and maybe you can put some flyers up in a restaurant, or they might even link you on their website. Another opportunity might be a style shoot with other service providers, so everyone gets pictures for their portfolio. As you can see, there's quite a lot you can do proactively to get your first paying client for a wedding. Putting in the hours and the work will definitely pay off in the future. How did you get your first client? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.